In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest in XRP on Charles Schwab. Let's start with the key takeaway so you don't waste time. You cannot directly buy or hold XRP on Charles Schwab right now. Schwab doesn't support direct cryptocurrency purchases, and it doesn't provide crypto wallets for coins like XRP. The platform is built primarily for traditional investments such as stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Even Schwab's own guidance makes this clear. While you can access certain products tied to digital assets, you won't be buying actual crypto through your Schwab account. Now, a quick word on XRP itself. XRP is a legitimate cryptocurrency designed to facilitate fast, low-cost payments and cross-border transfers. However, Schwab does not offer a way to purchase it directly. You won't find a Buy XRP button the way you might on a dedicated crypto app. So if your goal is to own the coin itself, you'll need to look beyond Schwab. That said, there are two common workarounds on Schwab if you're comfortable with indirect exposure. First, you can consider crypto-related ETFs and funds. These may track Bitcoin or Ethereum futures, or focus on companies building blockchain technology. This approach gives you exposure to the broader digital asset ecosystem without owning any coins. Keep in mind, though, that it won't track XRP specifically, and performance can differ from the underlying assets. Second, for more advanced traders, certain XRP-linked futures or similar derivatives may be accessible through Schwab's Thinkorswim platform, depending on approvals and market availability. These products are complex, can be highly leveraged, and are not beginner-friendly. Importantly, trading a derivative does not give you ownership of XRP. If you explore this route, understand the margin requirements, volatility, and risks before placing any order. If your goal is to actually buy and hold XRP, you'll need a crypto exchange rather than Schwab. Popular choices include Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance, and in some regions, Robinhood may also support XRP. The basic flow is straightforward. Sign up on a reputable exchange, complete identity verification, deposit funds, search for XRP, and place your buy order. Take your time reviewing fees, funding methods, and order types so you know exactly what you're paying and what you're getting. To wrap up, Schwab is excellent for traditional markets and indirect crypto exposure, but it's not a place to purchase XRP directly. For true XRP ownership, use a dedicated crypto exchange and always make decisions based on your risk tolerance and research.